Hello everyone. In the present problem, it is given that the pendulum is released from rest when theta equal to 0 degree. We have to find at what angle does the string break when the tension is twice the weight of the bob. Coming to the solution, we have the free body diagram of the given problem. So, from the free body diagram, it can be observed that the weight of the ball mg is acting downwards, T is the tension along the string, and mg sine theta is one component of the force or the weight acting in a direction opposite to the tension. Now, applying work energy theorem, work energy